Let's go.
Hey.
My name is Matt Teifke, and I've been in the real estate business for 12 years.
My name is Alex Kaufman. I've been in real estate for about 7 years now.
One of my big focuses is to help grow the business and bring in new relationships, new ideas.
My name is Abigail Rose Bias, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Blended Sense.
My name is Albert Baez. I'm the president and co-founder of Blended Sense. Blended Sense is a media technology company, and our mission is to stimulate local and regional economies everywhere. And the way we do that is by matching the right creative professionals with the right projects and a local level.
Whenever you can get different people that have different skill sets and team up, it's amazing what can be accomplished. And that's what we feel we get with Blended Sense.
We decided to partner with TRE for many reasons, but for me, it always comes down to people.
I like the people that were involved. We got to understand the mission, the values, the core beliefs, and at the same time, it really aligns with exactly what we're doing on the social media side.
There's this new kind of wave and trend happening in the real estate industry, and that's branding and direct messaging to the consumer. I think there's so much opportunity to disrupt and really bring innovation to the real estate industry via technology and via bringing production, high quality production to every single agent out there.
I'm hoping that people in real estate will start to realize that this is, not something that will just bring them in money, but it's something that will help them scale and grow and provide the branding and really get their message out there to whoever their clientele may be.
I believe this partnership is going to impact real estate by setting a standard for what not only agents are expected to deliver or perform, but also what consumers are looking for when they set out to buy a house or find an agent or invest in real estate for the first time.
I'm just truly excited to learn, number one, and then two, to grow with Blended Sense and the direction that they're headed.
If you'd like to learn more about what we do at Blended Sense, check us out at blendedsense.com.
And to learn more about TRE, just go to teifkerealestate.com.